morning students, my name is Navya Shrivastava, your English teacher of class 10. So I hope you all have enjoyed your summer vacations. I welcome you all back to your online classes. Okay, now let's back to your serious studies. And you all have given your exams. Many people have cheated also. But though your exams were very good, that online test. So now we are going to move further with your next chapter. That is this book, Footprints Without Feet, The Midnight Visitor. Okay, now this is very unique story, very different story. A story about a kind of visitor who is an, you can say thief or a secret agent. Okay, now let's see what is given here. Oswald, a secret agent, is expecting to get a very important report. Another secret agent, Max, threatens him with a pistol, demanding the report. Does Oswald outfit him? Okay, now what happened whenever you see any person, any secret agent or any kind of thief or agent, or you imagine, agar aap dekhe nahi ho, if you imagine a kind of secret agent, what comes in your mind? What comes in your mind? You must be thinking that he must be very fit, very fine, very active, very cunning or clever. You people used to think this, but in this story, everything is opposite of your imagination. Because here, the secret agent doesn't look like secret agent. He looks like a normal human being, okay, normal person. He is very fat, very different, and very normal looking guy. So whenever anyone see him, anyone is looking at him, he cannot understand that whether he is a secret agent or something else. Some secret agents are good also. Mostly secret agents are good, but some secret agents are not good. They come in a form of secret agent to steal something or to do something bad in that place of society. Okay, so let's read what is given in this story. Oswald did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. Following him down the musty corridor of the gloomy French hotel where Oswald had a room, Fowler felt let down. It was a small room on a 6th and top floor, and selfishly a sitting for a romantic adventure. So now here two people are there. One is Oswald. Who is Oswald? Oswald is a secret agent, but he never looks like a secret agent. वो कभी भी secret agent जैसा नहीं दिखता है. And second is Fowler. Okay, Fowler is a writer, and he has came with Oswald. Oswald के पास आता है to write something on secret agent. वो Oswald को जानता है कि ये secret agent रहता है, और वो उसके पास आता है, उसके साथ एक दिन one night to stay with him, to see what does he do, how the things he manage, what is the life of a secret agent in all. Okay, so he is a writer. Oswald was, for one thing, fat, very fat, and then there was his accent. Though he spoke French and German passively, he had never altogether lost the American accent he had brought to Paris from Boston 20 years ago. So here passively means well enough. So here he is saying that, Fowler is saying that Oswald is very fat, though secret agents used to be thin. Why they used to be thin? Because secret agents had to go here and there always. वो इधर उधर जाते रहते हैं और इसीलिए वो fit रहते हैं. But here Oswald is not like that. He is very fat. Okay, he is not that much clever. Also, he is very normal looking guy. And he can speak French and German normally. वो French and German भी normally बोलते हैं, but वो इतने countries को change करते रहते हैं. He used to change many countries, so live a life of secret agent में छिप के रहना पड़ता है. तो वो काफी countries को change करते हैं. Though he never forget his language, that is American. वो अपना जो accent है अमेरिका का वो कभी नहीं भूलते हैं. हाँ, वो जिधर भी जाते हैं वो उस language को adapt करते हैं. Whenever he goes to another country, he learn that language, but he never forgets his language, his accent, that is American. You are disappointed, Oswald said fiercely over his shoulder. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy. dealing in espionage and danger. You wish to meet me because you are a writer, young and romantic. You omnivorous, mischievous figures in the night, the crack of pistols, drugs in the wine. Okay, so here, Ausable is saying to the Fowler that you thought you are very disappointed. You thought that I am a secret agent. I must be very clever. I must be doing this and that. But when you came here and you started writing, you saw that I am not like a secret agent. I am very normal. Okay, वो Ausable ये बात खुद बोलता है, and he knows that Fowler is very disappointed. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall with a sleepy fat man who, instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties, gets only a prosaic telephone call making an appointment in the room. You have been bored. The fat man chuckled to himself as he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to look his frustrated guests enter. Okay, so he says that you must be very disappointed. You must be thinking कि मैं यहाँ क्यों आ गया? I am wasting my time, and I thought that this agent is very big agent क्योंकि हर जगह इसकी बात होती रहती है Ausable के बारे में. But when you came, you saw nothing. जब वो आता है तो कुछ नहीं देखता है, वो normal इंसान की लाइफ देखता है. So this Fowler was saying, Ausable was saying that I know you are disappointed with me. I know I am very fat and this and that. But now nothing can happen. My life is this. Till here he says, you are disillusioned, Ausable told him. But take cheer, my young friend. Presently you will see a paper, a quite important paper for which several women and men have risked their lives. Come to me. Someday soon that paper may well affect the course of history. In that thought is drama, is there not? So here Ausable is saying, again he is saying, again I know you are very disappointed, but wait on. ये disappointment आपकी ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं रहेगी. Soon you are going to see one paper for which people are behind me. इस पेपर के लिए बहुत लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, बहुत लोग मेरे पीछे पड़े हैं. What is this paper? We'll get to know. As he spoke, Ausable closed the door behind him. Then he switched on the light. And as the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand stood a man. Ausable blinked a few times. Max, he wheezed, you gave me quite a start. I thought you were in Berlin. What are you doing here in my room? Okay, so here Ausable says, when he says you will, Ausable पहले ही बोलता है कि don't be disappointed क्योंकि आज तुम्हें एक बहुत अजीब सी चीज देखने को मिलेगी. Okay, and Ausable takes Fowler in the room. वो अपने रूम में लेके जाता है, रूम बंद करता है, लाइट ऑन करता है, and जैसे ही switch on the light, he saw Max is standing in front of him, having the pistol on his head. एक Max रहता है, एक लड़का, and वो pistol को उसके आगे ऐसे रख के खड़ा रहता है. Now Fowler is very shocked that what happens, but inside he is very happy also that yes, now I saw something for which I came here and not wasting my time. I got my secret agent to see, and अब मुझे लग रहा है कि हाँ मैं कोई पिक्चर देख रहा हूँ, कोई ड्रामा देख रहा हूँ सीक्रेट एजेंट का, जिसके लिए मैं यहाँ आया था. But outside he is very nervous that क्योंकि पिस्टल तो सीक्रेट एजेंट के ऊपर है, Ausable के ऊपर है, but यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है, क्या पता मुझे ही मार दिया जाए. So inside he is very happy because what he wanted to see and why did he come here, it was successful. But outside he is having a little bit of fear also. Max was slender, a little less than tall, with features that suggested slightly the Carfree, pointed countenance of a fox. There was about him, aside from the gun, nothing especially menacing. So here, Ausable asked to Max that what are you doing here? I thought you were in Berlin. So इस statement से ऐसा लगता है कि Max and Ausable they know each other. Okay. After that, in the second line, it has been told the description of Max कि Max कैसा दिखता है और उसके पास उसके गन के अलावा और कुछ नहीं रहता है. Though he is very tall, very fit. Okay. The report, he murmured, the report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles. I thought I would take it from you. It would be safer in my hands than in you. So here Max is saying the report. Okay. Now Fowler is very tense and what kind of report, report or paper he is talking about. But Osborne knows everything and now Max is saying कि जो रिपोर्ट तुम्हारे पास है वो तुम्हारे हाथ से अच्छा मेरे हाथ में लगेगा. So kindly give this report to me. I am talking to you very politely. वो ये कहते हैं कि मैं बहुत politely से आपसे बोल रहा हूँ. Please give that report to me. Okay. So till here I have read. Next we are going to continue in the next video. Till then, there are two questions given here. First question is, how was Max gotten? How does Oswald say he gotten? Okay. So these questions you have to complete, page number 15. These two questions you have to complete in your fair copy. Okay. And in the next video we will see what happened next. Till then, bye bye. Take care.